while since I filmed an elevator at Macy's. Lantern doesn't work at all, that's nice. Off to a good start. The elevator smells like a fucking Lunchable. Not the worst smell I've encountered in an elevator. The MontgomeryKONE. Wow. And it's fucking slow. Jesus. Not to mention the DPI is cockeyed. Look at that. Holy fuck, this thing is slow. Oh, that sounds nice. Yep, doesn't work at all. Key switches you cannot read. You have inspection, independent service, and that. I don't know what those are. White, and then, I don't know. Oh, why don't we get a cab view? It would be beneficial for the video. Wow, the Bill of Rights. Wow. All right. That's it.